finally made it back to Ontario Mills. And of course, we got to start with the Nike outlet. This is Nike Factory Store, Ontario Mills. This is 17 minutes after opening. 30% off the back wall, which means 30% off these mother lovers right here. 140, get 30 off. Jordan 1 OG UNC Reimagined does have that crack leather. I haven't worn mine yet. I love the color. Not a big fan of that crack leather. Throwing that on everything for a little bit. 140. See multiple size 10s. Jordan 4 RMs right next. 140. Devon Booker shoes right here. All denim. Still going for 120. At least you get 30 off. With the green ones right here, $80. That's a better price. Immortality 3 if you need some budget. Hoop shoes, 45. Jordan 2 3s, 110. $80 for these. I paid way less. DNs right here, 130. Ice shots, 90. More basketball. Budget shoes right here, GT Cut Cross, 55. Especially with that 30 off, not bad. Got Dunks right here, $90. 30% off, definitely pretty dope. 40% off clearance apparel. So it looks like they're getting more and more stuff because we're seeing bigger and bigger sales. Got a Mamba loose fit shirt right here, $20. $20. That color's kind of whatever, but $20 you get 40 off on top of $12. Dry fit jacket. This is size small, $40. It's super thin. Oh, that's not a jacket. That's a pullover jacket right here, 65. Got tech fleece right here. This looks way bigger than a small. Yeah, triple XL. But 40% off literally makes everything a decent price. 70 for these. 35 for these. 35 for these. Damn, $70 still? Damn. Dry fit 24/7 jacket. $55. Yeah, see with that 40% off, this is hella thin, but the material definitely seems nice. Got a second rack right here. A lot of the same stuff though, but with 40% off, like I said, almost everything. Price looks good. A lot of t-shirts. See more of these Mamba shirts as well. LeBron long sleeve t-shirt right here, $25. Oh, price is definitely getting better. Look at this triple XL Lakers sweatshirt, $95. Tons of t-shirts and super bright colors. Are back in the clearance section right here. Checking out the smaller sizes. Shocks R4s go for $119. I've been seeing a few of these. That one in the size 10.5, I think was size 9 too. Jordan 4 RMs, extended size price supposedly $130. Invincible Run 3s, size 8, $130. Books, another one of these. Okay, yeah, $120 still. Some trail racing shoes. The Tierra Kikers. I thought these were budget ones. I thought those other ones were the trail racing. I don't know, but they do got these bad boys. $120. Got the Rejuvenate slides, $50. I guess it's $110. LeBron trainers, we have not seen too many of these. These are $7.5. $95 for these bad boys right here. They look pretty decent. They look pretty decent. Super flat on the bottom. Did I show these Invincible runs? $130 for those. Did move over to the huge women's section, 11, 12s. I don't see anything crazy. Totally forgot they do have refurbs here, and I was like, hey, maybe they might have some dope refurbs. Not really. $130 for the Shocks TLs. I love that. I love the look of those. This questionable color. I hate that colorway. $140 for the Air Max 95s. Look at this, like right here. Look at the size 12. $65. Definitely not a fan of that colorway, but $65 get 30% off. And they have refurbs too. That's kind of why I wanted to check. I don't see too many refurbs today though. But yeah, $60 for these, even cheaper. 30% off. That comes out to what? $42. $42. These probably come out to like $45. Jordan Trunners, Right here, $90 for these bad boys. These are 11.5 women's. Got Juniper Trails, 45. And an actual reefer. We haven't seen too many of these. 75 for these. So these are golf. Is it Air Max? No, these are the double bubbles. These are ugly. All right, back in the men's 11 and above. They got Jot 2s, clearance sale at $55. You get an extra 30 off. 80 for Witness 8s. X-Gens go for $80. And we're starting to see extended size pricing, technically, kind of, sort of, not really, maybe, I don't know. But this is a great tag. 130 for the Jordan 4Ms. 90 for Jot 1s. Yeah, prices aren't great though. 100 for the mids. Moving up to 12s. You got some LeBrons right here going for 140, but nothing else too exciting. Got some Calm Mules. I wouldn't call these exciting, but interesting. This is a real tree one right here. $75? Who's paying $75 for these? 13 and above right here. Just not seeing much though. Not seeing much. Yeah, I'm not even seeing like extended size pricing like that. Kind of the same stuff. Back to clearance apparel. Where's the Nike SB jeans? Never really seen that before, to be honest. 115. Definitely getting that premium. Oh, dude, it's like hella baggy. SB stuff, get that premium price tag, kind of like tech fleece right here. Two-tone tech fleece, 120. Regular sweats, 85. Another tech fleece right here. This is one of the ones that help you not get run over. When you run at nighttime, that's why they asking for that retail price. At least you get 40 off though. But it's just that green. That green. Got some Mamba pants right here. What shape is that in between? I don't know. That is a small, tall tech pants right here. Not tech fleece, but tech pack pants. What they go for? 120 still. At 40 off, still pretty decent, but not great, not great. Moving on to the shorts, got some super thin Jordan basketball shorts right here, $30. A lot of running shorts and stuff. Plenty of running shorts, stuff that y'all ain't too interested in. $25. Nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. All right, let's check out the aisles. And we start with some Jordan retros. Got the Niners colorway right here. Yeah, they better be so much better next year. We got some mids. Of course, non-signature J's, 2 3s right here. Jordan 4RMs. We've been seeing those prices go down like crazy. $70. Not too bad. More non-signature J's over here. More and more over here as well. Then LeBron Next Gens. Book 1s. KD 18s. Jot 2s. Got some Rejuvenate slides. Manoa leathers right there. Nike Cities. Kind of plain, but you can match this with work clothes, right? Couple of Forces going for way too much. Air Max 90s. Why's my camel blurry? Is it better? It's better. And all white. Flight Legacies. Metcon 8s. Free Metcon 6s and 5s right here. Wait, got a couple more. Got some Monarchs. Multiple colorways. This is a wide. Third one to finish the trio. Got a quartet of Cortezes. Dark Pony. All those black and whites. Jocks R4s. MX 270s. 2017s. Multiple colorways right here. Got white and gray one. Another white and gray one. DNs. One for regular price. That's crazy. And checking out the running shoes just in case. Because I need to get back into running. Do got some race shoes over here. Go for a little bit more than I want to spend though. And then they got 2 others going for retail. Got plenty of sizes. Might have to come back later. 30% off of 190. Might be worth it. I don't know. I'm trying to find one for under 100. Some people have mentioned the clearance store. I think I need to go to the clearance store. That's where I need to go. All right, this is the women's section right here. And they got some non-Vaporfly Next percents. Oh, these are interesting. Look at this. Nike by You. Not a fan of this color. $70 though. $70. Nike by You usually way more expensive. I don't know about all that though. Cortez cheaper than the men's section. $65. Jordan 4s right here. Look at this, 150. So 30% off. That gets us close to $100. Probably the cheapest we've seen. Those material on these are just like dope, hella dope. These are some real Vaporfly Next percents, but regular price. At least you get 30 off. Mid 6.5, $100. 7.5 Sabrina, go for 90. Durin 4 RMs, 95. Durin, oh, dude got some. What is these? Shocks TLs, 190 though. Shelves definitely emptier and a little less variety in the women's section. Wait. Oh, okay. Vaporfly Next percent, a little bit cheaper. 180, you get that 30 off. All right, let's see what's going on the aisles. A1, Asia Wilson got her own colorway of the Calm Slides, $40. I don't know who this is for. I guess for short people, but I don't know who's buying this. Sabrina 3s, Asia 1s right here. All-Star Weekend colorway. Got Forces, some Dunks. Actually got all kinds of Dunks. Been seeing these. This one got a little pin on it or something. Okay. Max 270s. 4 different colorways right here. And then a lot of generic stuff. I hope you guys are paying attention on social media. I totally forgot NBA All-Star Weekend takes place in Los Angeles, so there's gonna be a bunch of exclusive drops and stuff like that. So make sure you guys follow everybody on Instagram. I don't really get I don't really get information before the public does, so I won't be much of an assistance. But make sure you guys follow all the social media accounts, follow all the sneaker shops, follow everybody, dude, because there's going to be a lot of stuff going on. Did enter the Union raffle. Union should have a nationwide release in a little bit, so make sure you guys follow their accounts. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Make sure you guys check your spam folders and all that stuff. Check your emails super often. All right, see what's going on at Adidas. They got 60% off clearance stuff right now, but you have to find something dope. I got these for my kid. Why is he not wearing these, man? 52. Oh, look at this, $52. I think I paid 25. They mislabeled it. $52. This is not an extra 60% off, or yeah, an extra 60% off because it's not red tagged. The clearance section, they always have a not included, then included section. They still got all these fog, fear of God stuff right here. 200 still though. They only have smaller sizes. Selection's kind of whatever, dude. Like they only got this type of stuff, just nothing too exciting over here. Retro P, these are comfy at 95. But yeah, not much worth showing you guys. The Retro P is probably the best thing. Check out the women's section right here, where they don't have much either. Ooh, Boston's. Boston 12, some serious running shoes, 130. We saw them cheaper at Shop Simon though. Shop Simon website, where they do have kind of like an Adidas outlet. Yeah, but bunch of generics mostly. Nothing worth even showing you guys. And in the aisles, they do have Boston 12 and the men's right here for pretty freaking cheap. Did try it on the last visit, and they weren't like super comfy. They weren't super cushioned. They have a lot of generic stuff though. What the hell? Most of the aisles just like really generic stuff. It's just aisles and aisles. Generic stuff. They do have some cleats right here, some messy cleats and stuff. And these budget cleats, not included in the promotion though. What the hell? And then more and more aisles of generics. This is all the men's section right here, and they got superstars. That's about it, dude. Women's section. Okay, this is weak, dude. This is weak. The New Balance factory store right here, 40% off apparel. That's it. BOGO 50 off. Okay, I do see certain things that are 40% off. Okay, I do see certain things 40 off. In the clearance section, 40% off the back wall as well. So okay, not bad, not bad. So you can get these Fuel Cell Rebels right here, 135 though. 1080s right here, $100. Okay, see, $100. You get 40 off, so $60. That's not bad. 574s, 80 or $70 actually. $70. Not digging that colorway though. 740s, $90. Super Comp Elites. This is what I've been looking for. Been looking for these for a crazy deal, but yeah, 180 though. Dang it. I see these in multiple sizes here. The J-Hound 2002 Rs. This is a collab. The J-Hound collabs. All this stuff usually sells out $60. $60 Okay, yeah, these are ugly. But yeah, it's a Gore-Tex. Yeah, it's a Gore-Tex. And it has round laces like the super skinny round laces. $60. You get an extra discount on top. That is crazy for a J-Hound collab. That's crazy. Literally goes down to $42. That might be the best deal I've seen. Not getting them though. ALD collab of the 550s right here. All right. But yeah, what are they going for? Why are they putting everything so far in the right? But yeah, 70 for those. We do get 40% off. Another super comp elite 180 for that one. 471s. Go for $50. And they also got a couple different colorways of the 90, 60s, 150. I was like, I swear I saw another one. Yeah, another one right here, $100. Then in the aisle, a lot of stuff. Buy one, get one, 50% off. $70. What the hell are these? Fresh foam gyros right here. 680s, 480s, P500s, 550s, these 880s, multiple colorways. We're going for 40% off. So now in the women's clearance section, I think the bigger size over here. What's up with these 574s? Oh, these are the ones with that cool texture and stuff on it. $100. They do go down to $60. It's like dope texture, dude. I like that texture and stuff. It is mostly suede as well, or all suede. More 574s go for $100. And then they got plenty of 1080s. In that colorway, they got 840s right here. Ooh, this 1080. Another colorway, $100. Another 574. Go for 90. Just another 1080 right here. $100. Fuel Cell Rebels, 130. No super comp elites for crazy cheap. Dang it. The more regular women's sizes right here, 7.5. $100 for 574s. More of these 1080s, $100. Fuel Cells, 130. More 574s, $79.99. Marathon Fuel Cell Super Comp. These are crazy light, so freaking light. $250 though. This colorway's pretty freaking dope. $80 for those. Another 574 going for 80. What is this one? Oh, 327s right here. Look pretty comfortable. $90. 574s right next to it. Mostly suede, 100. So definitely better than I thought it'd be here. Got these for $250. These are more the Marathon, New York City Marathon Super Comp Elites. $250. And $80 for these Super Comp trainers. Another one right here. And as I mentioned, mostly buy one get 150% off, including all these 1080s right here. But $100, that's still not bad. So if you got two pairs, it'd be $150. It's actually not bad. Got these 860s right here, 574s right here. And I think I skipped this one earlier. This is a men's 990 right here, 175. And I guess they got rid of that tan one. They had those for hella cheap. What is this? A 997? Yeah, 997. And the men's right here, so $60 after discount. That's about it, but pretty solid deals. Nike outlets getting a little bit better. All right, stay tuned. We're out, man. We out. Got plenty coming.